So in this video, what we're gonna do basically is we're gonna download and set up the Cobalt theme. This is the final result, as you can see in here. It could be on your login screen, on your home page, and you can customize it as you want. It's basically a little bit different than the Odoo default theme. It's much prettier, as you can see, and yeah, it's really good. So let's head to the add-on website. So in here you can, as you can see, I'm gonna get the version for 14 because my Odoo is on version 14 basically. If you have an earlier version, you can get 15 as you like. And also we're gonna download and set up the Odoo backup. It's automatic backup for your database. It could be a zip file with the system files, or it could be a dump file as you like it. And we're gonna see how to do that. I'm gonna just download it now and put the files into the Odoo directory along with the Cobalt theme. So we're gonna download this zip file, extract it, and then copy it, and then just paste it in our Odoo directory. Along with the Cobalt theme is like the same thing pretty much. So I'm gonna just set up the database Odoo backup for on the next video. I'm gonna leave the link in the description, and yeah, we're gonna just do it on a separate video. For right now, we're gonna just do the Cobalt theme. Alright, so we're gonna copy these files and then paste them in our add-on directory. You guys will find it eventually. It has like different placement, depends on your Odoo installation. For example, installation of Odoo 15, you can just find it on /opt/odoo/addons. You'll find the directory there. It has lots of other add-ons. For me, it's under root /odoo dev /odoo /addons. That's where I found the all the add-ons directory in there. Or like there's a different configuration for that. You can just go to for me it's under odoo dev /odoo /debian, and then you'll find your Odoo config file, or you can find it just under etc if you have done the copy of that file. So what you're gonna do is gonna place your um, other add-ons that are not Odoo default. Um, you're gonna place them in a different directory called add-ons, and not along with the other add-ons. So you're just gonna index them with the add-ons path in the config file. So it's really different for everyone. Just for me, I'm gonna put them under Odoo dev /odoo /addons along with all other add-ons. So the installation of add-ons is pretty easy, and so we're gonna just head to our download folder where we extracted those two files, and head to our add-on directory in our server. For me, it's under root. Just gonna put my password in here. Alright, so you will find it under Odoo dev, Odoo, and then add-ons. These all are the default apps by Odoo. You'll find them in there. So I'm just gonna add my two add-ons, the one for Cobalt theme and the one for the auto backup. So head to back to that directory again. Add-ons. In this Debian folder, you can find the Odoo.config file. If you wanna put your add-on in a different directory and then point at them with the add-on path, you can just do that. For me, I'm gonna just copy these two. I'm gonna copy the theme Cobalt first, then I'm going to paste it in here. I already pasted, so I'm gonna just skip this and head to the other add-on. I'm gonna just click skip because I already pasted in there earlier. So we're gonna see about that with a backup. I'm gonna click theme, Cobalt theme. There it is. Yep, that's the one. Alright, so we're gonna head to Cobalt theme. It's pretty much the same files. So I already done that earlier. Okay, so we're gonna just head to our server and then update app. Gonna just click on update. Just wait for it for a few minutes, like a couple of minutes, and it should be done. Alright, so I'm gonna search for a theme. There it is after the update. It's not installed yet, but it did read it correctly because it's version 14, and we're gonna install it right now. Alright, so after we done our updates, let's do the update. Okay, let's do the schedule updates. So we're gonna restart our server. Alright, we're gonna refresh this page because our server is running. Here we go. I'm gonna just head to apps. We're gonna look for the Cobalt team app add-on that we just added. Alright, limit select. There we go, Cobalt. Then I hit install. Just make sure you install it after you're done the updates. There we go, we got our new theme. So that's the default. We're gonna use the new theme, of course. Click in here. There's like 5 steps. I'm gonna do that honestly, and just drag and drop some like items from the right sidebar. In here, you can change your image. You can put your own logo. Just import an image, and this is like welcome to your homepage. I'm gonna just do like a homepage, so I'm gonna just drag and drop this one, leave it the default. I'm gonna change the text here to welcome, like a welcome message. You can put your logo on the top left side on your website. And alright, so this is good. I'm gonna save. Then this is our home page, could be our login page. And we're gonna just go to settings, like website settings, add a little more info about our website. Alright, so in here, like there is languages, you can put your social medias in there. In here, you can change the fab icon right there. You can put your own customized one. You can just import it, and I'm gonna change my website to the theme, for example. This is all for just testing. Show you guys how you can do this. Gonna save, and it's done. You can see this is our website. In here, like website logo.